Hey there guys, it's Meloncraft03 and this is my doggo. Look at how cute he is. Did you just, he said hello. That's his way of saying hello, he yawns. Yeah, alrighty then, I'll just leave you alone, you look confused. Anyways, today we are going to be cooking some spaghetti. So we got this gluten-free thin spaghetti, and we got this, I didn't drop anything, don't worry. And we got this Prego 3 cheese sauce. And that's pretty much all you'll need other than water and a stove, because if you don't have a stove, this isn't going to work. Gluten-free, just so you know. I'm using my phone to record this, yes, okay. Now on to the steps of doing things, yes! Yes. Oh, and I forgot to say, you will need a pan pot thing so you can put water inside. Alrighty, so we're going to get water inside of here. So we're going to turn on the sink, and then we're going to put this in here. And then we're going to fill it with water. Depending on how much spaghetti you use is going to depend how much water you need. I'm not measuring, so don't do what I do. Follow the directions. We're just going to watch it fill up for a while. Alrighty. You hear squawking in the background. That's my birds. They're very loud. Actually, they're supposed to be the quietest birds of the birds, so... Well, not the birds, just of, you know, I don't know. Then you're gonna put this on the stove. And then you wanna turn on your stove. So you go to the high thing, saying hello to you. Alrighty. But yeah, my birds are loud even though they're the quietest of the parrots. Alrighty then, okay. I will come back in a second when it starts to boil. It should start boiling soon, hopefully. It's starting to boil while it's getting the bubbles at the bottom, and soon it will be boiling. Spaghetti. Aha, it's starting to boil! It's boiling, and now we will add the spaghetti. And now we break the spaghetti. Here we go. Break it in half. Spaghetti everywhere! No! What have I done? Alrighty, anyways, once you've broken the spaghetti, you put it in there. And then get the remains of the spaghetti and put them in there as well, because they've fallen and stuff. What have I done? No! The spaghetti! I'll clean this up, don't worry. There's spaghetti everywhere, but it's okay, because we're making the spaghetti and it's boiling, so yes. It is important while making the spaghetti that while you're making it, if you think it's done, make sure you taste a piece of spaghetti first. And if it doesn't, if it's not the consistency you would like, then you don't want to be done yet. This spaghetti needs to go in there for a little bit longer because it's too hard. Yeah. While we wait for the spaghetti to do things, we're gonna make some hot chocolate because I want some. So we'll do that while we wait for the spaghetti. I just made a terrible mistake. My mother left this in the Keurig, and so now that is chocolate tea, whatever. I'm gonna try it. I want to see what it tastes like. It's probably gonna taste horrible, but I'm gonna try it. Alrighty, I will get back to you when I try it. It tasted terrible, so I'm making some more. Also, the spaghetti is done. It's just cooling off over there, and then I'm gonna pour it into a strainer. This here is the secret to a perfect hot chocolate. You just dump it in. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Just so you know, if you want to know how to make good hot chocolate, okay? Ha 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 ha. Whipped cream. Yes. Beautiful. And that's the best hot chocolate you can get. That's, yeah. Now we're gonna take the spaghetti and get it over here, and we're gonna put it in the strainer over the sink. But I can't really record and do that at the same time, so I'm gonna have to cut this part out. Ha 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 ha! The spaghetti! Spaghetti! And now you have the spaghetti! Spaghetti! Wait a minute. There are pine cones on this bowl. Oh, why? Okay. Okay, so now you take the Prego and you just dump all of that on there. like so. Is there even enough for this entire spaghetti? I don't think there is. I used most of it yesterday when I made spaghetti. Also, if you're wondering, yes, I am eating all of this pasta. I made enough for one meal. Spaghetti. Okay, yeah, nothing else is coming out of there. But yeah, you get the point. If you don't like sauce, put butter on the spaghetti and it'll taste delicious. Okay? And if you have any, you can use some Parmesan cheese. If you want Parmesan cheese, then use it if you have some, because I don't have any and it makes me upset. Now you got your spaghetti and enjoy. Enjoy. It's delicious already. I hope you liked this spaghetti tutorial by me. I'm gonna eat the spaghetti now.